Have you been trying to manage your business IT yourself? With today's rapidly changing technology and IT support needs, as well as a growing dependence on digital data, it's increasingly difficult and time-consuming. Today, more and more businesses are hiring managed service providers rather than having a full IT department of their own to manage their technology needs. A managed service provider, or MSP, provides IT services for small and medium-sized businesses that don't want the hassle or the expense of dealing with technology issues in-house. Since most all systems today can be managed remotely using the internet, MSPs can monitor, protect, and support their customers' computer systems and networks from a separate location. So why should you hire an MSP for your small business? Here's 5 great reasons. Number 1, on-demand support. We have staff available when you need them. If something goes wrong or you just have any questions about your business IT, we're just a phone call away. You don't have to hire a full team of IT staff to deal with all the hardware, software, and network issues you come across in your business. Secondly, managed service providers can provide you more time, more money, and more space for your business. If you don't have to hire additional staff for all your IT needs, you'll save thousands of dollars on salaries, taxes, benefits, not to mention having more open office space for revenue-generating employees. Third, managed service providers give you simplified IT expenses and billing. Many of our programs are available for one low monthly rate. You can get services and support as a part of one package, making planning and budgeting much easier. And our programs are flexible. You can add or remove services and capabilities as your business needs change. Managed service providers also offer knowledge and expertise. It's impossible for one person to be familiar with all the technology that's available today, and by hiring an MSP, you get the experience and skills of an entire IT department just by picking up the phone. And finally, managed service providers are known for providing proactive management. Rather than waiting for something to go wrong with your business's technology, we'll monitor your IT and anticipate problems so things don't break down in the first place. You won't have to worry about downtime, and your staff will stay more productive and focused because their technology will be working. You have enough to do without staying up nights fixing or worrying about your IT problems. As a managed service provider, it's in our best interest to make sure that your systems are up and running smoothly at all times. We offer a range of services that will save you time, money, and frustration, and will help you focus on making your business more successful through better technology. Contact us today, and our experts will evaluate your business's technology needs and show you how you can benefit by working with a managed service provider.